If you want your website to be filled with people who actually want to buy your product, then please stick to the end of this video. In this video, I will share a technique that helps businesses get relevant traffic from Google, that too for free. Hi guys, this is Saurav. If you are new to this channel, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel to never miss out on a super informative and actionable video like this, which you can use to improve your business. Do you know 65% of all e-commerce purchases originate from Google? So it's crucial for every business to be able to showcase their product on Google. We are going to achieve this by setting up a free Google Merchant Center account. To create your free Google Merchant Center account, you need to visit merchants.google.com/signup. From here, you will get the option to input your business information, business name, business country, and the time zone in which your business operates. After entering the business information, you will get the option to select where you want your customers to check out. If you want your customers to check out on your website, then you can check this option, and if you want your customers to check out at your local store, then you can check this option. If you want both, then you can check on both of these options. Here you can see all the standard e-commerce platforms listed. From here, you can choose WooCommerce, GoDaddy, Shopify, or any other platform you are using. I will check WooCommerce here. Here you will get the option if you want to receive communication from Google Merchant Center, tips and best practices. If you want to receive these mails, you can check here. If you don't want to get these mails, then you can uncheck. I will keep this checked. If you scroll down below, you will get to see Google Merchant Center Terms and Services. You will have to check here and scroll down below and click on Create Account. Next, you will get to see the screen that your Google Merchant Center account has been created. Let's finish the remaining step to get you fully up and running. You need to click Continue here. Here you can see Google is also telling us that show your products on Google for free. You need to scroll down from here and click on Continue. After clicking on Continue, you will have to enter your business information here, business address for communication, your phone number. I'll enter my business information here and proceed to the next step. In the next step, you have to verify and claim your website. To verify and claim your website, you need to put your website address here. To verify your website, you can just add a HTML tag to your website or upload a HTML file. To verify your website using an HTML tag, you need to copy this tag and visit your website and paste it in the head section before the first body section. After pasting, you need to click Verify Website. I will quickly go and paste this code onto the head section of my website. After successfully pasting the code on your website, you need to click Verify Website. If you have pasted the code properly, you will get to see Verified here, and here you will get the option to claim your website. Click on Claim Website, and done. Your website is successfully claimed. You can see here your website is successfully claimed. In the next step, you need to set up shipping for your website. Here you can put your shipping service name. For me, I am keeping it default. Here you will get the option to the countries which you deliver. You can choose from the list here. I'll keep it to India, and if you ship to other countries as well, not to all countries but other countries as well, you can add countries here and you can change the currencies from here. You can select from all the other currencies available. I will keep it as INR. Here delivery location, it is already selected at the customer's address. You need to click next here. In the next page, you need to select the cutoff time of your orders. I'll select it as 12 AM. You can select it as per your convenience, as per your business model. Select the time zone. I will select my time zone here. As I am operating from India, Kolkata, I will enter Kolkata. You have to mention the average handling time for your deliveries. From here I'll say 0 to 1 days. Now here you have to select days from which orders get fulfilled. I'll select Monday to Sunday, 7 days a week. In the next option you have to mention the transit times it normally takes for your package to reach a customer's destination. Here I will mention 2 to 3 days. Select 7 days a week. Here you can add more transit times. From here I'll click next. Here you will have the option to choose shipping charges. From here you can offer free shipping over a certain amount, or free shipping for all of your products, range based shipping, or flat rate shipping. I will provide free shipping from here and click on save. In the next page you will get to see the overall summary and you have to click next here. From here you will get the option to add products to your website. If you want to add one product at a time, then you'll get the option to add one product, or if you want multiple products to be uploaded via an API, content API, you can choose this option. I will select one product at a time to show you how you can add products to Google Merchant Center manually. You will have to select the country of sale, the language, and the destination. In the product identifiers option, you will have to enter the GTIN, UPC, EAN, or any other unique identification number. In the product data option, you will have to enter the product ID or SKU, the product title, the brand name, description. For all of these fields, Google has already provided the examples. In the description, you will have to write the description of your product. In the landing page, you will have to put the link of the product in your website. An image link, you have to provide the image link hosted on your website. In the price and availability section, you will have to enter a price of your product, mention the condition of the product, and click on save. In the next step, you need to specify the refund and return policy on your website. Click on this option to view what are the recommendations. Click here, and from here you will get the option to start final review. Click on start final review. After submitting for final review, it normally takes 4 to 5 days to get your products visible on Google. To see if your product is visible on Google, you just need to go to Google, type in your product name, and navigate to the shopping tab. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, and for more informative and actionable videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.